So, here I am, Zurich, a city of clocks. Tick-tock, tick-tock, everyone's moving fast. But I want something slower. I find it, a boat tour on Lake Zurich. It starts with a ticket. Just a small piece of paper, but it feels like a key. A promise of something new. I'm at Berkeleyplatz, the dock. Trams ding, people rush, but my eyes are on the water. The lake is huge, sparkling in the sun, boats bobbing gently, old paddle steamers and sleek modern vessels. I wait, ticket in hand, ready to trade city chaos for lake calm. The sun is out. The light dances on the water, turning it into a field of diamonds. The air smells fresh, clean, like water and distance. I breathe in, feeling the day begin to change. This ticket says, "Slow down, come see this." Lake Zurich has history. Ancient stilt houses lie beneath, whole villages preserved underwater. I'm not just looking at a lake, I'm looking at layers of time and stories. The boat arrives. The gangplank drops, a gentle invitation away from the city's noise. The adventure begins, all from this little ticket. The moment arrives. I walk up the gangplank, wobbly, bouncing onto the boat's sun-warmed deck. People find their spots. Some head inside, but I stay outside, wanting to feel the breeze, the sun, the spray. I claim a simple wooden bench, my throne for the journey. The engine hums, a deep, friendly horn sounds, and we're off. The dock shrinks, the city fades, the famous Grossmünster towers look like toys. Everyone's relaxed, smiling, pointing, just looking. No one's rushing or glued to their phone. We're a temporary community, sharing this slow drift away from the everyday. The boat, a ZSG boat, has cruised these waters since the 1800s. Generations have done exactly this. Found a seat, felt the hum, watched the city disappear. The boat picks up speed, water whispering against the hull, a gentle shh, as if the lake is telling us its secrets. We're out in the middle of the lake now. The city is a faint line, the shore a green ribbon. The water isn't just blue, it's 100 shades, from deep navy to bright turquoise. The surface is alive, sparkling, putting on a silent light show just for us. The boat glides, dancing with the water in a slow, soothing rhythm. My shoulders relax, my mind empties, worries drift away on the breeze. There's nothing to do but sit, look and feel, a moving meditation. I peer into the clear water, sunlight filtering down in shifting patterns. This lake is Zurich's drinking water reservoir, so clean you could almost drink it. Sometimes a sailboat passes, its white sail bright against the sky. We wave, they wave back. It's the rule of the lake. Out here, the world feels simpler, kinder. The rules, float, look, wave. I can handle that. As we head south, the mountains appear. First as hazy shapes, then as the mighty Alps, sharp and spectacular. They rise at the lake's end like ancient guardians, some dusted with snow even in summer. The contrast is stunning. Smooth blue lake, jagged grey peaks. It makes you feel small, but in a good way, reminded you're part of something bigger. These mountains have watched over the lake for millions of years. I'm just a tiny speck, looking up in awe. The view keeps changing as the boat glides on. Light and shadow play across the peaks. The Glarus Alps are the stars here. Locals know every peak by name. The mountains aren't just scenery, they're neighbors, powerful and calming. I wish I had binoculars to see the details, but even without them, the view is breathtaking. I sit back, soaking in the water, sky and mountains. A perfect trio, a silent conversation between water and stone. The boat zigzags across the lake, stopping at charming towns. Each one unique, each one beautiful. We pull up to small docks. People get on and off. The boat is a water bus connecting lakeside communities. Life here is slower, quieter, tied to the water. Towns like Rapperswil, Küsnacht and Thalwil sound like storybook places and look like it too. Steep red roofs, flower boxes, church steeples and vineyards sloping to the water's edge. They grow grapes here, make wine. Lake Zurich wine, ripened by the same sun warming my face. Rapperswil, the town of roses, has a medieval castle perched above the lake, a fairy tale view from the boat. Every town has a story, every castle a secret. From the water, you're a floating historian piecing together the past. I watch people on the shore, walking dogs, kids playing, someone sipping coffee at a lakeside cafe. These are snapshots of life, all centered on the lake, the community's heart, playground, and highway. For a little while, I get to be part of it, drifting along a coastline of pure charm. The feeling out here is more than what you see. It's what you feel. The breeze is the lake's breath, always present, sometimes gentle, sometimes brisk, always clean and refreshing. The sun feels warmer, more direct, without city buildings to block it. It's a gentle warmth that makes you want to close your eyes and just be. People lean back, faces to the sun, peaceful smiles. A tip: wear sunscreen. The sun on the water is strong, the sounds are few, the lap of waves, the hiss of the wake, a distant gull, the low hum of the engine. No traffic, no sirens, just a symphony of calm. I close my eyes, focusing on the gentle rocking, the sun's warmth, the water's whisper, the fresh air. It's a full-body experience, a sensory bath telling you to relax, let go, be here now. The wind whispers, the sun shines, the boat rocks, and everything is okay. All good things must end, but this feels like a transition, not an ending. The boat turns back towards Zurich, mountains at our back, waving goodbye. The return is as peaceful as the journey out, but I'm different now. Calmer, lighter. The city skyline, once busy and overwhelming, now looks welcoming. The boat has given me a gift, a slower heartbeat, a new perspective. The buildings grow larger. The Grossmunster towers greet us. City sounds drift back. Tram bells, distant traffic. But it's not stressful, it's just life, and I'm ready for it. The boat tour is a reset button for the soul, a reminder that peace is always close, just a ticket away. We glide to the dock at Berkeleyplatz, the same place we started, but it feels different now. The crew prepares to dock, calm and efficient. The gangplank lowers, leading me back to land, back to the city's tick-tock. But I'm bringing the lake with me, in my mind, in my memory. I step off, feet on solid ground, the world steady again. One last look at the boat, a silent thank you for the peace, the perspective. The lesson is simple: slow down, look around, breathe. There's so much beauty if you just give yourself a moment to see it. The Lake Zurich boat tour isn't just a trip, it's therapy with nature. I feel rested, renewed, and ready for whatever comes next, knowing the peaceful water is always here, waiting.